To generate revenue from ERP systems, businesses can adopt different strategies leveraging the full potential of these platforms. Firstly, consultancy services around ERP implementation can be a lucrative avenue. Many organizations require guidance in selecting the appropriate ERP solution, configuring it to meet specific needs, and providing post-implementation support. Offering expertise in these areas can command substantial fees. Secondly, customizing ERP software to align precisely with clients' workflows is another avenue. This involves developing tailor-made modules or modifying existing ones to enhance business processes, thus adding significant value and expertise to the offering. Thirdly, selling ERP software licenses itself can be a profitable venture. Acting as a reseller for established ERP solutions or developing proprietary ERP software caters to businesses that prefer to procure their software from trusted vendors. Fourthly, providing training services for users and administrators of ERP systems ensures that clients can fully harness the benefits of their investment. Fifthly, offering managed services or ongoing maintenance contracts ensures a steady stream of revenue by providing clients with continuous support, regular updates, and maintaining system performance and security. Finally, leveraging ERP data analytics can open new lines of business. Providing insights derived from ERP systems can help clients make data-driven decisions, optimizing their operations and driving growth. This can include creating dashboards, offering bespoke reporting solutions, or even predictive analytics. In summary, monetizing ERP systems involves a combination of consultancy, customization, software sales, training, managed services, and analytics, each contributing to building a robust revenue stream.